All right, so a few more questions on this part. Is the applicant blah, 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 subject to criminal indictment, all that stuff like that? No. If you're not facing any charges, just put no. If you are, you probably wouldn't be applying for PPP. But anyway, is the United States you want to put yes here because you want to make sure that they know that assuming that all of your people work in the United States. A lot of virtual assistants won't count for that because they in Philippines and all that. But if you got people that are in the States, then and only in the States, you want to put yes, and that's probably important because you're not really stimulating the economy if you're taking their money, the government money, and then spending it in the Philippines. But as the blah blah blah, you probably don't have a franchise that is in the SBA situation. But anyway, this is just where you want to initial, of course, read these situations, and it's just pretty much saying that you understand what's going on and that you're not lying about what you put at the top. And then you sign and all of that. So that's pretty much the application. Very simple, easy application. No numbers, no nothing. They didn't really ask. Well, right here are some numbers, but not much compared for an application for a loan. You usually have to give a lot more numbers. And they do require some other documentation though that has numbers. But I did want to show y'all how simple that application was. It's a 5-10 minute thing, assuming you got everything together. And here's Cabbage right here, and all the documentation that's required to prove what you put on the application. And once again, up to $10 million. This is amazing opportunity for most businesses. Cabbage can only do max of 2 million. They're talking about the 100% forgiveness. There's plenty of information on this online. It's just a matter of filling out the paperwork and kind of getting to it. But these are the documents that they will ask for. Not all of them. Typically, you just need one of them to prove the numbers that you put on the application. We use this form, the 940, which shows how much payroll that you paid for 2019 for the whole year. But they have different forms. They have a quarterly one. They have some different ones. So this is if you had a business, a corporation, a general partnership, LLC, or nonprofit. So if you fit into that category, these are the documents that you would use. And once again, 940 is the form we use. I'll show you all the documents. This is a W-3. And it's just pretty much showing you how much wages you paid out. Kind of like I know you heard of a W-2, but it's like a business version of that. It is 940. What I was just telling you about the FUTA taxes. These are the federal taxes that you have to pay on payroll taxes for unemployment to fund it. So anyway, this is one of the forms that you can use as a proof of your income and your expenses and everything. Here's another one, but this is for the independent contractors. So if you don't have an LLC, corporation, all of that, you self-employed, you're a single member LLC, independent contractor, you get paid with a 1099, or you just kind of operate off of your name, which is completely fine. These are the documents that you would have to show. Obviously, ID, but 1040 is what you probably going to want to show, or your 1099. So just to show your taxes and show what you made or what you lost as well. So because it doesn't matter if you had losses, it's just about if you were operating before the pandemic, because the pandemic affected everyone. So this is a 1040, which just shows your profit or loss. Like I said, so loss is okay. And this is a 1099, which is for the independent contractors. So you do need some type of supporting documentation in order to qualify for the loan, but that's about it. No credit check, no guarantee. It's really a win-win situation. I say just apply. They will direct you in the way that you need to go to get approved. So make sure that you apply. Let me know if you have any questions that I can answer for you. Thank you for checking it out.